Unless you got a problem with it.
No, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
It's good and me. Were you doing for Broadway?
Don't wanna change you, mold you, shape you, scold you, twist you. I just wanna know what it would be like to kiss you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good evening and welcome. Our story tonight is an odd one, winding down many roads seemingly unrelated and unconnected to a very strange conclusion. A songwriter and satirist you've likely never heard of, yet surprisingly virtually everywhere for the past half-century, now silenced. His family moved to a small town in New Mexico in 1958, a bigger house than they had ever lived in before. Finally, he had his own room. His nights were spent listening to songs of unattainable love and longing on a little transistor radio, his lifeline to the outside world. K-O-M-A, Oklahoma City. On Broadway in New York City at 49th Street, just north of Times Square, is the Brill Building. In offices upstairs were written some of the most famous and enduring hit songs of the late 50s and 1960s.
You will never forget this beautiful piece. When you see it again, you will do what we ask you to do. I want you to run for president. This has all been arranged.
Now you tell him to stop writing songs for other people.
Hey, go away! You gonna mess this up.
I don't care, goddammit, I'm paying you and I want you to tell him to stop writing songs for other people.
And that is no like how could she?
And speak English, goddammit, I'm paying you.
Quiet, they're talking about us down there.
And here's tonight's first tribute from humorist Dave Barry.
I don't think there's any one human being who's had more of an influence on my life than Buddy has, except maybe Jesus or Abraham Lincoln.
Oh no, that ain't right. Quiet, we're watching the show.
I remember it must have been about a year and a half ago. I was with Buddy and Buddy fell in love with a...
Hey, don't be saying that! Cut off that tape! Cut off that tape!
I've been humbled by Hubble, by those images so clear, by the photos and flybys that make it all look so near, the crisp and classy close-ups of planetary orbs. It's more surprise and splendor than this small brain can absorb.
I just wanna know what it would be like